Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Idris, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how the mistakes I made when I first started investing. First of all, uh, like and subscribe this video. Actually appreciate if you guys comment and ask me questions you would like to know more about. So let's jump straight into this video. When I started investing, actually, I wanted to be a dividend investor because I wanted to live off my passive income during a certain age. I wanted to retire early, but at that time, I was actually also like everybody wanted to make make some money fast. At that time, also I was investing in some company like Tesla. When this was before the before the split. But that's gonna be for another video where I'm gonna actually let you know what actually did to those investments. But before you start investing, I think you should actually know all these things. One, actually understand what kind of investor do you want to be. Do you want to be a growth investor, or do you want to be a dividend investor? You can be both, but understand your priority first. Which ones are you actually way more focused on? Are you focused on the cash flow, or are you focused on the long term cash flow and long? Are you focused on the cash flow and long term, or are you focusing also the growth side, which is also it's a 50% shot? And also sometimes it's growth is actually good, but if I see I like dividends because actually I have to get paid for me actually investing in things. I have to see a return for my investment. So growth investment is actually also good, but I have some growth stock, but I don't focus too much on growth stock. I like to focus way more on dividends because I need the cash flow coming in every month. So that's my advice is understand what kind of investor you want to be at first. When people actually tell me how to actually give them some stocks to buy, things like that, actually my first question is what kind of investor are you? Actually, are you a growth investor, or are you a dividend investor, or are you a day trader, or whatever? But because it's kind of hard for me to tell you, oh, actually I'm gonna buy this stock is gonna do this. So I actually have to understand what kind of investor you are first before I can actually give you a piece of my mind. And also you actually have to also understand, do you want to hold this investment for long or short term? Second, don't invest because of high dividends, because you see a company pays a lot and a lot of money for owning their shares. Like maybe it pays up to $1 for owning $1 per share, and you actually don't understand the company. You don't see, do you actually see this company in the future? Like, is this company still going to be around? I like a mistake I made. I used to buy when I first started investing, I bought Macy's. Macy's was actually paying high dividend then, but when the pandemic came, Macy's crashed, and I think they cut the dividends. I'm not really sure if I'm right. Please leave a comment down below. But at the same time, it wasn't a really good investment because I could actually throw some money in it, but I shouldn't be actually focused on that. I had to dollar cost average during the market crash and see and when the market recovered, I think around late last year, then I sold the investment. I actually doubled my money in those investments. So I bought a lot of it because I knew it was gonna Macy wasn't gonna go anywhere and it was gonna recover. So I sold those investments and make the profit, and I put it into a more sustainable company, a company I see that's gonna be around for a while. So don't actually invest in a company because it pays a high dividend. That's really bad. So that's one of the lessons I learned from doing that. So if I made the mistake, I don't see a reason why you guys have to make the same mistakes. So first of all, understand what kind of investor you want to be. Second, don't invest in a company because of it pays high dividend. The next one is actually understand the company's motive. What does this company actually has to offer people? what is this company about? Look at the balance sheet, look at the revenue they're getting, look at everything. Like it's not about just hearing the company. Actually understand what this company, what are the plans, what is the motive of this company, how consumers actually liking the products, from they're familiar with their products. So how can you be familiar with a company's product, like let's say Coca-Cola for instance? So I actually understand Coca-Cola. I understand the company's motive. This company provides drinks, and this is a recession-proof company. Even during a recession, you still got to drink. There could be a recession and nobody goes anywhere, and the economy is bad, but still people got to eat. So like Coca-Cola, familiar yourself with the products. You see, like I've had Coke before. I've had a Sprite, Coke. So I actually understand. Oh, this is good. This is gonna be around for a while. So I'm familiar with the company's products now. I understand the company's motive. I follow the company along when when news is published about it. So even though if you miss some things, I'm not saying like be with the company 24/7. See what the company does, everything. But you should be able to see this company for the next 20, 30 years, 50 years into the future. So which brings me to our next one. You actually have to understand. You actually have to understand, why are you actually invested in this company? Are you investing in this company for short term, or are you invested in this company for long term? If you invested in this company for short term, maybe you see this company down the line. Maybe you see this company not gonna be here for at least 10 years, which is actually a bad investment, because why would you want to risk your money even though they pay dividends? What if the stock value falls and they start cutting the dividends, which was one of also the mistake I made buying a company, GEO. Actually saw somebody who bought it, so I kind of bought it too, and they were paying a high dividend back then, which actually they have actually cut the dividends twice during the pandemic. And I've been trying to sell the company for the past 6 months now, but the company hasn't recovered yet, and they're trading around $5 right now. I was actually getting paid close to 25 dollars quarterly from the company, but now I'm getting paid almost like they cut the dividends to almost like $5. I'm getting paid like $5 right now for owning a few shares with them. So also that was a mistake I made, that I invested in the company. First of all, because somebody did, which was a bad way to invest. Second, because I saw they were paying really high dividends. So that's actually a bad idea when you're actually investing in company to collect cash flow from them. So this is a really short video, and I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, and I hope you guys have a good day. So leave a comment down below if you have any question for me, and as usual, if you want to start investing, use my link down below and get some free shares from Webull and Robinhood. And also I'm going to be dropping a few video. I'm going to be dropping a video more often now, so you guys should look out for that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel now. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.